Pre-formulation is essential in pharmaceutical development, studying properties of new drugs before formulation into dosage forms. The primary goal of pre-formulation is to gather vital information to ensure the formulations are stable, effective, and safe. Crystallinity refers to the structural order in a solid. Highly crystalline substances have sharp melting points. Polymorphism allows substances to exist in multiple forms, affecting solubility and stability. Types include enantiotropic and monotropic. The transition temperature is where two polymorphs have identical free energies, influencing solubility. Hygroscopicity describes a substance's ability to absorb moisture, which can impact drug stability and shelf life. Fine particle characterization measures particle size using instruments like a Coulter counter and methods like BET adsorption. Bulk density indicates the mass of powder per volume. It affects flow properties and compaction in manufacturing. Powder flow properties are critical for tablet compression, influenced by factors like particle size and shape. The ionization constant, or pKa, indicates the pH at which a drug is 50% ionized and 50% unionized.
It is determined using the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acidic and basic drugs. This provides insight into their ionization. Methods of pKa determination include spectral shift in UV and potentiometry, measuring pH changes with varying drug concentrations. The solubility of a drug varies with pH, which is crucial for formulating pH-dependent release profiles. The common ion effect states that solubility decreases in the presence of a common ion, per Le Chatelier's principle. Temperature impacts solubility and stability, affecting how drugs behave in different conditions. Solubilization techniques include the use of co-solvents like ethanol and PEG to enhance solubility and complexation with cyclodextrins. The partition coefficient measures the lipophilicity of a drug, defined by drug concentration in oil and water. Dissolution rate is the speed at which a drug dissolves, expressed in milligram per minute, following the modified Noyes-Whitney equation. Stability analysis includes checking drug formulation stability under toxicology conditions and assessing solution stability. Solid-state stability depends on environmental factors like humidity, temperature, and light exposure. Compatibility studies test how drugs interact with excipients, a key part of formulation development. Microscopy techniques provide insights into crystallinity, moisture content, and refractive index, enhancing drug formulation.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more informative content, please show your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel GPAT with Akash for more great content.